Hello associates, and welcome to our module on the construction of the IKEA Poang chair. The Poang chair is our most popular model and comes in all kinds of colors, suitable to the tastes of both the patriotic as well as the eclectic. Before we get started, a few basic IKEA assembly rules. When assembling IKEA furniture, always be sure to do so using hand tools. Never assemble IKEA furniture using power tools. Please try to avoid assembling IKEA furniture on a hard surface. Always try to use either a carpeted surface or an area rug, perhaps one of our many selections. And as always, if you're ever confused, you can reach out to IKEA Support 24/7. Now, let's get started with the IKEA Poang chair. The Poang chair comes with assembly hardware as seen on the top panel. It can be arranged for use as such. The basic parts of the IKEA chair come packaged together as such. Now, moving on to the assembly. To assemble the back part of the chair, use the side rail. Use the back braces with the bowed out section facing away from you, as such. Place the other side rail on the top side of the assembly and fasten together using the screws provided. When completed, the top portion of your assembly should look like this. Assembling the base of the chair. Taking the base section and the two crossbeam slats. Slide the crossbeam slats through the cloth sleeve as such. Fasten using the small flat screws provided. Assemble the bottom portion of the chair to the top portion assembled in the first part using the small IKEA screws provided, such as this. When placing the side rail on, lay the assembled chair on its side. Place the side rail along its side and use the coupler and the long screw as such. Place the cross beams along the side rail as such and fasten together with the screw and coupling combination as seen below. Next, we're going to flip the chair over and do the same thing on the other side. Fasten the side rail using the screw and washer and the coupler on the bottom portion, as seen here. Fasten the cross beams to the other side, as seen here. Well, now you have your assembled chair. A few last-minute tightenings of the bolts, and the chair is complete. One final step. Place the padding with the Velcro surface to grip onto the top portion of the chair and the headrest portion flopped over.